In this video, I'm going to show you parallax animation, or you can say parallax effect, in very simple steps and within 5 minutes. So let me show you how we can create this. So let's begin. So first of all, we will see here I have already prepared the screen. So this is just a frame, and these are the bubbles images, separate images. They are not joined. So there are so many images of bubbles of different types, and this is a vector I have created, and I have given it linear gradient color so that it look like water. So let's start. This is frame. So, and also one more thing I have here is scroll bar. Okay, so what we will do, duplicate this frame, and here we will do is select this few of the drops from here, and move upward a little bit. So we can do some changes in this. I want these 4 or 5 drops to go up when we scroll down. So what we will do, I want to do some changes in the direction and size of the bubbles also, so that it look more realistic. So let's increase the size a little bit. Let's decrease it and change the position. Make it here. Decrease it. Put it here. Let's decrease the size of this and put this here. And this here. So now select all these bubbles, and I want now this to go outside of the frame, but we want this in this frame too, but it should look like it has gone. So we will not drag just it out. What we will do is select all these drops, and while holding shift, press above key, it will be moved out of the frame just like this. And next thing we will do is select the text and move it upward. Here it is fine, and let's increase the size of this a little bit, like 30. Okay, this is fine. And now I will move this vector a little bit up. Yes, just like this. And these drops, let's increase the size of this a little bit. So I have done the changes with the bubbles. Now select all these bubbles. Actually, this vector is disturbing a little, so I will hide it for a little bit. Select this. Yes. And now I will move them up a little bit. While holding shift, press above arrow, and just like this. Yes. Now, yes, vector is visible here. So it's fine now. Let's select both frames and decrease the size of it like this, and go to prototype. Okay, I have to do one more thing. I have to bring this scroll to down. Yeah, just like this. So now go to prototype and connect first screen to second, with this scroll element, and it will be on drag. Duration will be 800 millisecond. You can choose the duration what you want, but it will look more realistic when we give it a delay in timing. It will also be on drag. Yes, so let's see in the preview if it is working or not. So let's see. So go to this scroll bar and drag it down. Yes, just like this. Yes, all right, it is working very nicely. I hope you have understood what I have shown in the video. I hope you liked it. If you like it, please hit the like button, share and subscribe to my channel. Thanks for watching.